With the upcoming election in America, Biden projects, but also Trump tokens are doing very well. But also American tokens can do quite well. Shout out to Americans Meme Coin for sponsoring this video. And I did some research on the project, and guys, I'm really hyped about this project. So I want to tell you more about this project. And let's have a look together at the website, the Twitter page, but also at the price and the chart, because there are some interesting things ongoing in the chart. And I think this can be a good buy opportunity for all of us. I also invest myself, so guys, let's check it out. But before I tell you more about that, guys, we reached 5,000 subscribers on the YouTube channel. So everyone who is subscribed, thank you so much. And let's talk about Americans Meme Coin. So we can find the contract address here, and it is available on Uniswap, DEX tools, of course, and here are the other links. What can we find? I think we should first take a look at the chart, because yes, we want to know the chart. How does it look like? Is it still good or not? So this is the chart of Americans Meme Coin, and you can see it launched on the 14th of June and it saw a major uprun. We saw, like, how many times is this? Like, if you bought here, it was like a 17x. But of course, people start taking profits. People start selling in panic, and this is the result of a chart and emotions of people. And now what we see is a nice bottom area here. These are the moments that you want to buy. If a project is dead, we will see a chart like this. It will go more down. People start entering with hope, and then it goes down, down, down. But we have a nice bottom area here, and these are the moments that you want to buy, of course, because of course, less people are in, so there's more chance for us to make some nice profits. The market cap is still at 3 million and the liquidity pool 300k. And why I think it is nice, if we get back to the previous all-time high, it is still 6x from here. So why do I think it's a good project? Let's talk about the website, but also the Twitter page. So this is the website, guys, about Americans Meme Coin project, the cryptocurrency project about America, of course, and especially with Trump and Biden ongoing, it is nice to invest in several American tokens, because the money is where the attention goes. So when we get closer to the election, more and more America niche tokens will pop off and also will get more money into the liquidity pool. So 0% tax, contract is re-announced, liquidity pool is burned, and the total supply is 34 trillion 690 million. It's the same amount as the US national debt, and we can also see it here, total supply. And yeah, guys, I think it's a decent project, especially that they had a lot of attention here, so people know about the project, 2k holders, and yeah, it's nice. How to buy, everybody knows how to buy. I think go to Uniswap, it's available there. There was a website already, guys. So let's take a look at the Twitter page. So they have a nice golden ticker also on Twitter. So this is nice because it costs a lot. So the guys are not scared to spend any money and make the project bigger. It has some added value to have a golden ticker on Twitter. We can see America already has its own stablecoin, USDC and USDT, but they are America's meme coin. It's nice. Also another YouTuber talking about the project. What else? Meme coin, takeoff. Zach Humphrey again, also a big YouTuber. So yeah, 99k on Twitter and also around 140k on YouTube. Shout out to him. Also Sam, also big on YouTube, and Austin Hilton also. So the guys have some nice names on board, and I'd love to see such kind of things, because then you have some nice marketing upcoming. Oh, here, update, this package has been paid for and is finalized. It will be getting tons of YouTube videos on, also content on YouTube. Yes, guys, shout out to Americans Meme Coin, because they did a sponsorship. And yeah, like, if you spend not only, of course, on me, but also on other guys, it is like you want to have teams that are not scared to spend any money, because when you spend money on a project, you can get more audience to your project. And example, some guy without money is making a meme coin project. It can go to 100 million market cap, but with money you have a shortcut. You can invest into other people who have an audience and also believe in your project to make a video about it. And like, this is also what you see with bigger projects with 1 billion or 100 million market cap. These projects spend tons of money to get there. And of course, smaller projects can also get there without money, but it takes way more time and luck. That is something to keep in mind when you look at a project and do some research. Have some founders who are not here for 1,000 profit or 10,000 profit. Have some founders on board who have money, so they aim for 1 million profit for themselves, and this gives them more motivation to build to a higher market cap project. I think these guys can do very well because they keep spending money and they have some right people on board with the right connections. So I invested myself, beside of course the sponsorship, inside this project because I really think with such a kind of founders it is a good idea to invest some in it. Yeah guys, I think we should close this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you're still here, don't forget to subscribe and let's push the channel to 10,000 followers, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.